So today we are going to be talking on steps you need to take to brighten your lips, maintain a healthy looking lips. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Dark lips can be caused by different factors. One, it can be constant licking of the lips. Two, it can be from smoking. Three, it can be genetics. And what you're going to first of all do is understand where your dark lips is coming from. If it's constant licking of the lips, try to stop licking your lips as often. If it's from smoking, try to limit your smoking. And if it's genetics, you cannot do anything about it. But here are steps you can take to help your lips to appear better, look brighter. With these steps, you're going to be noticing a difference in the appearance of your lips. Your lips is going to look brighter and better. The first step is exfoliation. So you can use a lip scrub. Lip scrub is in form of a physical exfoliator. There are different kinds of lip scrubs in the market now. So anyone you see, there's no particular one. Anyone you see, you can use it. There's no particular good or bad lip scrub out there. So you can use any lip scrub you see, or you can make your lip scrub at home by just mixing sugar and honey and just use it to go over your lips, and that's also good. Another thing you can do is to use your toothbrush, and this is the one I mostly use, guys. Anytime I'm brushing my lips, I'll just go over my lips with the toothbrush. I swear. That's what I do. I'll just go over my lips with the toothbrush, and this will also help to remove the dead skin on the lips and to reveal a fresher skin at the bottom of the lips, and this will give you a softer lips. The second step is to moisturize. Guys, when I say moisturize, I don't mean with lip glosses. So lip glosses are not moisturizing. You have to get like a lip balm. I can recommend like the Vaseline lip balm or the Aquaphor lip balm. Oh guys, can you hear that? It's raining? So I can recommend like a lip balm, the Vaseline lip balm, the Aquaphor lip balm. You can use Chapet. That's another lip balm, Chapet. But if you want to be extra, because what we are trying to treat here is dark lips. So if you want to be extra, you can go for tinted lip balms like the one I have here. This is a Vaseline. This is a Vaseline lip balm. It's tinted, so you can go for tinted lip balms. I think I prefer it because using ordinary lip balms for treating dark lips, your lips are still going to be moisturized, but it's not helping anything. Like it's not doing anything to the darkness. So, but if you use this tinted lip balm, it's going to help to give your lips a tint. So I love this one from Vaseline. I got this for 500 naira. So this is another one from Nivea. This is another one from Nivea. I usually use this one too, but this also finish. It's also tinted. It will help give your lips that. It will help to give your lips that pink tint to it, and it's very nice. And if you want to be extra, you can go for lip balms with SPF. Yes, they are lip balms with SPF, and this is going to help to protect your lips from further darkening and help you to get a bright look. If you can't afford lip balms with SPF or they're not accessible to you, you can do this trick. Whenever you're rubbing your sunscreen on your face, you can just extend it to your lips. Yes, guys, you can just extend your facial sunscreen down to your lips before applying your tinted lip balms. Then again, we have to moisturize at night. Yes, most people will just moisturize their lips during the day and forget the night. The night is as important as the daytime. So when you're done with your skincare routine, brushing your teeth at night, just use this moisturizer to just go over your lips. This is also going to help to keep your lip soft. So another one is tinted lip glosses. Yes, you can use tinted lip glosses or lipsticks, tinted colored lipsticks to make your lips to look better. Yes, guys, tinted lip glosses. And before you use tinted lip glosses, I will always advise you moisturize first, because lip glosses are not moisturizing. No matter how you use it, it's not moisturizing. And if you're not using this lip gloss that is very popular, Absolute, guys, if you have dark lips and you're using Absolute lip gloss, just trash it, because it's not going to do. It's even going to worsen your dark lips. So I prefer you buy a tinted lip gloss, as you can see like this. So what you're going to do first is you apply your SPF on your lips, then you go in with your lip balm. I would advise you get tinted lip balms, then you get tinted lip glosses. This is going to help your lips to look better. Can you see? This is going to help your lips to look better. But if you don't want to gloss your lip, you can just go in with only this lip balm. This lip balm is still very much okay. Things you should not do. These are things you should not do if you have dark lips. Please don't go to the market and buy that their pink lips balm. Guys, I was a victim of that pink lips balm wahala. Treat I was trying to treat dark lips, and I went and got pink lips balm. Guys, to be truthful, when I was using it, my lips was really nice. It was really nice, but immediately I stopped it, God, my lips got darker. Like it got very much darker. So I wouldn't advise it. And if you even see the ingredients that they mix this lip pink lips balms with, guys, they add carotene, caro white to most of these pink lips balm, and it's not advisable. I'm not going to advise you to go and get any pink lips balm. Just do these simple steps, and trust me, with time, your lips is going to look better. Once you use this, your tinted moisturizer and your tinted lip glosses, and what again, SPF, and try to exfoliate your lips very well. Trust me, guys, with time, you're going to see remarkable difference in your lips. People are going to be asking, yeah, what did you do to your lips? So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel,